Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Squires here. I would like to give you a quick little review of what is expected to know for the assessment coming up. At first, if you look at 1/3 equals 1/6 or 1/4 is greater than 1/4, you will need to be able to tell me if that is a true statement or not and prove it either through a picture or through using a number line, fraction bar. So there'll be many examples on the test where you will have to look at fractions and tell me if they are true or not, inequalities. Then if you look down here, you have a, you have a square shaded in and you have a circle shaded in. You'll have to look at different shapes shaded in and tell me what is that fraction. Then after you're finished, you will have to tell me what is another equivalent fraction to that fraction. And lastly, on this page, you have a number line that's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. You're going to have to tell me what is point A and what is point B. And finally, you will have empty number lines like this picture right here, and you will have to count the unit fractions and divide that number line into equal fractions. So I'll pause the video for a minute, and I'd like you to work on that with your parents. Okay, hopefully you got all those problems correct. Now look at the second page here. You have a square. And in this square, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal partitions with 4 shaded in. So you're going to have to look at this shape. You're going to have to tell me what the fraction is and then find the equivalent fraction from underneath, meaning it might be a number line, it might be another fraction strip. So you'll have to find all the equivalent fractions to the picture that you see. Down here, divide the circle into 6, and once you do that, there will be a word problem. Something like, I ordered a pizza, it has 6 equal pieces, I ate 2 of the pieces of pizza, my mom ate 1 piece of the pizza. What fraction did I eat? What fraction did my mother eat? What fraction was left over? So I'll pause the video, let you answer those questions. On this final last page, you will have to show me fractions equivalent to 1/2. You will have to be able to write those fractions and draw them, examples of them. You will also have to find fractions equivalent to 1 whole, and be able to write them and be able to draw an example of them. Lastly, you're going to be able to look at different fractions with different denominators. You're going to be given one number line and you will have to solve that. So please try that. Take a few minutes to read this over and practice everything that's on here, and you will do your best. Thanks. Bye.